Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to try to look at what could cause your agitator to malfunction. Remember, parts are specific to your model of washer, and the ones shown today may not be the right parts for you. To get the right part for your washer, be sure to search PartSelect.com using your model number. If you need help finding your model number, use our model number locator. The link is in the description. Washing machines clean laundry by repeatedly cycling clothes through a mixture of detergent and water. Top-loading washing machines move clothes through the tub by the action of an agitator. Now, the agitator twists back and forth, pulling clothes from the surface of the water down through the center to the bottom of the tub. The laundry then works its way back up the outside to the surface to be grabbed again. In top-loading washers, the pump, the agitator, and the tub are driven by the motor. Now, the washer may be a direct drive type with the motor connected directly to the transmission and the pump. It could also be a belt-driven type with the motor driving the transmission and pump through a pulley and belt. When your washer won't agitate, one of the most likely causes is a faulty lid switch. Now, the lid switch is a safety mechanism that prevents the washer from spinning or agitating when the lid is open. This feature is to prevent serious injuries occurring from people reaching into the tub during operation. Lid switches can have either mechanical or electrical faults. Check the mechanical condition first. If the striker that activates the switch is broken or misaligned, it will not depress the switch properly and the washer may fill but not agitate or spin. If the striker is not broken and the switch is properly aligned, you should next test the continuity with a multimeter. Top-loading washers of the direct drive type will have a motor coupler instead of a belt. The coupler consists of plastic discs with interlocking tabs joined by a rubber disc between them. The tabs can break and the rubber disc can wear, causing the coupler to slip. If your motor coupling is worn, it may result in weak or no movement of the agitator or spin tub. If you have a belt-driven machine and the drive belt is worn or broken, you will also see no agitation. The belt will be located on the underside of the tub or even beneath the base of your washing machine. If it is cracked or worn smooth, it will not be able to drive the transmission and therefore result in little or no agitation or spin action. If this is the case, your belt must be replaced. Several manufacturers use dual-action agitators with a top section that rotates independently from the bottom. The top section turns continuously in one direction and the bottom oscillates freely. Now, the small pawls that engage the top section are called dogs. There are usually 4 dogs made from a hard plastic material. If these dogs wear or break, the top portion of your agitator will not function the way you expect. Other parts that may cause your washer to not agitate, along with other symptoms, could be the pressure switch, the timer, or the drive motor. These devices are not common failures, and the previous parts should be checked out first. Now that you have a better idea of your problem and can identify what the solution could be and what, if any, parts you need to repair or replace, go to PartSelect.com. There you can order your parts and find more information about your specific repair.